This is the second episode of a 4-part video about how we turned this dilapidated 2-bedroom terrace house in Bedfordshire into a modern 3-bedroom house. In the first video, we showed the dilapidated state we met the property. We also looked at the floor plan and highlighted the major changes we intended to make to gain more floor space without any expansions to the property's current footprint. Stepping into the property from the front entrance, the first things to notice is that the old foyer is now gone, and we have moved the old staircase backwards nearer the rear garden door. However, we did install the old iron stairs for our own use whilst a new one that meets regulation is being fabricated. Upstairs, we've opened up the space by removing all the old partition walls. We've also measured and marked out positions to raise the new partition walls in a way that will extract the most usable space of the small top floor. Keep in mind, our aim is to fit in 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom up here. We had to quickly plaster a portion of the wall before opening the floor for the new staircase. In the master bedroom, we marked and started opening a new door space that goes with a new floor plan. We also marked out spaces for 2 wardrobes, one for the masters and the second for the new bedroom. Again, here is a quick reminder of the new layout we are aiming to achieve. Now onto the main partitioning works, which is also a good time to start the first stage of the electrical rewiring. few days later, We took delivery of a pre-owned high-end kitchen which we had planned to be the major selling feature of the property. The kitchen cabinet took a lot of space in the living area, so we had to stop partitioning works upstairs to concentrate on clearing out the old kitchen and getting the space ready for the installation of the newly delivered one. The kitchen floor needs to be redone, but we had to repair a few rotten floor joists first. We also carried out new plumbing works suitable for the new kitchen unit. As the new kitchen will be open plan with an island, we marked out where to open on the wall to form the large case doorway connecting the kitchen to the living area. That also means that the current door will be closed. We replaced the damaged parts of the kitchen wall and installed the new kitchen. Now that the living area is a bit cleared, we removed the old sagging ceiling and got plaster works ready for a new ceiling work. We also installed the new wooden stairs and continued with works upstairs. Midway into the renovation, let's see how far we've come. We've replaced the sitting room ceiling and replastered the interior of the property. We've also replaced the base wooden floor and bought materials ready for the laminate reflooring. The large case doorway connecting the kitchen and the living area has been done. Just some finishing touches to get the kitchen fully ready. The overgrown garden has been cleared, ready for returfing, and a wooden deck has been installed. In the next episode, we will continue with the finishing of the property and have it ready for the final reveal. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified immediately we upload that video, and don't forget to like and leave your comments. If you didn't watch the first episode, please click on the video link popping up on your screen right now.